Oh, Doug, are those curtains new?
Sorry about that.
Oh, no, it's okay. I was just wondering if the curtains...
You all right? Yeah, it's just been working the late shift until I gotta get like 5 a.m. You don't want to keep me up. Great!
Okay, well, we should really say goodnight to...
Yeah, I'll tell her.